WALB-TV presents Dialogue, a weekly public affairs program exploring community concerns and spotlighting regional activities.
Good Sunday morning to you, everybody, and Happy New Year. We are kicking off the new year today with something that I'm pretty sure maybe 90% of our audience will be doing for this new year, and that is, of course, putting those resolutions together. And probably at the top of that might be weight loss, or at least getting in better health or fitness. I am talking this morning with Pam Jackson, very familiar to this community, of course, working with newspapers in education program for the last 5 years. But now it's a new year and you got a new career.
Yes.
You are the state coordinator for Georgia on the Move. Mm-hmm. Tell us what that's about, but first of all, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you,
and congratulations.
Too. Thank you.
What is Georgia on the Move?
Georgia on the Move is as part of the national, we're a national affiliate of America on the Move. Mm-hmm. And there's 20 states that are involved in this. Basically, America on the Move is the parent organization, and what that is for is to encourage Americans to get on the move, get healthier, because this nation, as you know, is in an epidemic of obesity. Mm-hmm. The costs are astronomical, not to mention the number of deaths and obesity-related diseases. As you know, that this is personal for me.
I know.
My position is actually under GPAN, which is the Georgia Coalition of Physical Activity and Nutrition, which is based in Atlanta.
Okay.
So
now, how did this all come about? And I mean, I know the answer, but if you can explain the YBH program,
right.
Back us up on that in terms of why you started that, and then how that has led to this new and exciting career, and of hopefully getting us all healthy.
YBH was started late last fall. I truly believe that it was God ordained. I believe that he wanted me to start this program to make a difference, because there is a huge number of obesity in children. Usually if you find an overweight child, there's an overweight parent or
mm-hmm.
family member. I did not know at that time that it was going to affect me personally when I started it. I lost my brother in February because of obesity-related illnesses, mm-hmm. which it all came together then. And my personal mission, and I started off with, you know, requesting donations, writing grants, and of course Merck and Company and Palmyra came on as my major sponsors. Mm-hmm. I've gotten other sponsors since then. I have fitness programs in Doherty Middle School, Radiant Middle School, and we're going to open Albany Middle School in January.
Well, congratulations on that. Okay.
So the program is growing. I've gotten calls from Chicago, mm-hmm. spoken to a couple of other people that are interested in starting a program. But the wonderful thing about Georgia on the Move is that there's a middle school component to America on the Move.
Which will fit in with what?
Which will fit
youth
perfectly.
Becoming healthy.
Fit perfectly with youth becoming healthy.
All right. Now, I guess what is the major, if you were to sum up, the goal, of course, is to get Americans healthy.
Right.
But what is your emphasis? I mean, is it all, is it food, or is it exercise, or is it a combination?
It's a combination of both. What we want is, of course, to encourage 5 a day, 5 fruits and vegetables a day, increase your water, just eat healthier, baked, not fried. Though that's important mm-hmm. in any diet plan or healthy plan.
Okay.
But what America on the Move and Georgia on the Move emphasizes is just 2 small steps. There's been studies shown. Colorado was the first one. This program actually started in 2001. There have been studies that shown just making 2 small changes can ward off diabetes, cancer. You know, these are all obesity-related illnesses, osteoarthritis, just all kind of diseases. And again, with 65% of the American population being overweight, this is an initiative. Governor Perdue has bought into this, and so it's just, you know, it's a statewide initiative.
Even local communities.
Even local communities. And my job is to get at least 2% of the population signed on to America on the Move. It's a fun, web interactive program where you can sign on to americaonthemove.org, log in your steps that you take a day. The key component is a pedometer.
All right, I'm going to hold this up. Okay, and these have become very, very popular.
Very popular.
This is to monitor how many steps you take a day.
How many steps you take a day. The goal, of course, is 10,000, but what America on the Move and Georgia on the Move is basically encouraging you to do is just add 2,000 steps to your normal routine mm-hmm. and decrease your calories by 100. That's as simple as using less butter, ordering water instead of a soft drink, anything like that to reduce just 100 calories.
Just 100
Just
calories.
100 calories.
It
Small
sounds,
steps.
it sounds small, but you know, for somebody who's so used to that, you know, it may take some time to wean them off of, you know,
Right.
those extra 100 calories,
Of course,
right?
well, you can do something like split desserts with the, you know, with your spouse or whoever
Okay.
you're out eating with. Things as simple as that.
All right.
Ordering baked, not fried.
And
Small
eating
changes.
more vegetables.
Eating more vegetables.
And we all need
Which
help
is
in
a
that
challenge.
way. I tell you what, now you mentioned that this is in other cities across the state of Georgia. So this will work hand in hand with the Youth Becoming Healthy program.
In some instances, but for the most part, it's separate.
Okay.
Where there's school kids involved, I'll try to partner the two together. But again, this, you know, GPAN basically hired me to do the whole state of Georgia.
So you are traveling across the
I'm
state.
traveling across the state trying to establish, do kickoffs and just getting worksite wellness programs underway, getting schools on the move, churches on the move, individuals on the move, just basically to get the whole state active.
Well, these, I want to say, these are some of the reasons that what you do is necessary. First of all, did you know that Georgia ranks 6th in the nation for obesity? Georgia has the 6th highest level of adult obesity in the nation at 25.2%. The cost of obesity in Georgia exceeded $78 million in 2003. And one of the major components of Georgia on the Move, regular exercise or physical activity, and that reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, colon cancer, falls, and fractures. And of course, we also need to add diabetes to that list.
Diabetes is on the list. I just didn't.
Because you mentioned that, I think in our conversations before, your brother was diabetic.
My brother was diabetic. He was diagnosed 8 years ago. Didn't take care of himself, didn't exercise, was morbidly obese. So the numbers that they say, the 300,000 deaths a year, that's real.
He was one of those
He
numbers.
was one of those 300,000. So again, it's personal for me. It runs in my family, which, you know, is something I've struggled with for the last 4 years. This position and him passing has actually made me more active. I'm trying to make changes in my household, eating more fruits and vegetables, you know, to make these small steps because I am at risk. And anytime you have a family member that has one of those illnesses that you mentioned, then your chances are higher.
And I have to echo that because diabetes runs in my family, and in the fall of 2004 I found out that I was diabetic, and it just seems like there were several of my coworkers who, you know, throughout the year found out that they were diabetic as well, and are taking those steps to try to be healthier and do the things that we need to do to live longer.
Right.
So, and that includes, of course, incorporating exercise. As I said before, you know, we don't do it as much as we should, but just and these are talking steps. For instance, I know you always hear about parking if you're going to the mall or a shopping center, parking a further distance and then using that as a form of your exercise. So that would count if you were to get one of those.
Taking the stairs, you know, if you're work in a building or wherever, taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Again, simple changes.
Now, I guess the procedure is you go to AmericaOnTheMove.org and you click on to Georgia.
You can click on My Community.
My Community.
See what Georgia's doing. Actually, you can review what other states are doing, but Georgia being one of the newest affiliates, we just started December 1st when I started.
Okay.
Our site will get updated more than that, but what you will do is you will join the organization. It's free.
I was about to ask,
It's
are there
free.
any
No, there's
charges?
no cost.
Okay.
It's free. Any group, any individual, work sites, I mean, anyone that wants to get involved.
All right, well, we're going to talk more about this in just a moment. I want to give you a number and also make sure that you have that web address, which is www.americaonthemove.org, or you can give Pam Jackson a call at 229-894-2499. We'll take a break. We'll be right back.